Hey guys, so, we're gonna do an unboxing. So we're gonna unbox bytar and uh, extra large, well, a large green, blue base plate. So this will be good for some things. It's got this paper on this side, so I'll just leave this here. Now we'll unbox bytar. So, I got this from the Lego store for $5. The bytar's head. Okay, so, there's the cards. So we're gonna open up the cards, and, yeah, so, here we go. We got bytar's character card, ground attack, lay down card opponent, discards all face-up ground cards, if spinner touches it, then remove. Chain strike, build it above on spinner until the player wins, then remove. Crown of Earth, build or remove a crown on any spinner. Earthbound, opponent can play Earth cards until a player wins. Opponent can only play Earth cards if a player wins. So, nice cards, and here we got the pieces. And we got his head, which is right here. So I'm just gonna build a minifig for you guys quickly, so you guys can see. And yeah, we're gonna take a look at the pamphlet. And so yeah, my mom just walked in. She's trying to make not make any noise. And here's the pamphlet. So I hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll see you guys later. Okay, bye.